We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Petty Officer William Hickman, who was a member of the United States Navy. He served in 1991 during the Gulf War. His hometown, Deerfield, Missouri. We are proud to salute William Hickman, our four-state hero. That brings us to our first birthday on the list, Mr. William Hickman himself. Bill is 82 years old this year. Happy birthday, Bill, and thank you for your service.
Happy birthday, Mr. Hickman. A great picture right there. Tremendous. We've also got a first birthday, and that comes in the form of Miss Josephine Huser.
How cute.
So I'm gonna say this, and Huser family, if I'm wrong on this, I'm gonna guess mom did the hair, because as a dad, I know trying to do something creative and cool like that, I never could have pulled that off. But Josephine looks like $1 million right there. That was a great picture. What a smile that kiddo has.
Yeah.
Josephine, she's celebrating in Fredonia.
She looks like a sweetheart.
That is great.
All right.
And good job, Mama Huser.
And Dad, if you did it.
I'm telling, if I'm wrong, Mr. Huser, write me and tell me. I just got a feeling that is so put together right there. Mama Huser's behind that.
All right, Sebastian Lowman celebrating birthday number 5 this year.
Oh, tire swing.
That's a good picture there. All right, Sebastian is in Girard.
That's awesome. I love that. Colson Gulager, a 12th birthday with the candles to back it up. Happy birthday to Colson. He is in Fort Scott.
All right, Dallas Gully is celebrating birthday number 19. His birthday was actually yesterday, and Dallas is a nursing student at Pittsburgh State University.
Look at the spelling of that first name. That is too cool.
Yeah, it is a really cool.
I'd never seen that before.
Dallas is from Fort Scott.
That is really cool, Dallas. Happy birthday. Nicole Smith. Nicole, we got birthday wishes coming from your mother. She turns 23, and Nicole, a happy birthday in Oswego.
You should get some cake to go with that ice cream. All right. Jordan Meadows is 29 years old this year. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, and Mima. I always like to say this when Jordan's picture pops up. See him for all of your landscaping needs. Mm-hmm. Jordan is from Liberal, Missouri.
Run out to Parsons because that's where Joseph King is celebrating his 31st birthday. Joseph, would you have a marvelous day and a very happy birthday.
All right. And we've got Samantha Hall celebrating birthday number 36 this year in Pittsburgh.
A special 93rd birthday goes out to Jim Haddan. What a marvelous picture right there. Mr. Jim, I want you to have a great day, sir. He is celebrating in Stark.
All right, we got Sean Parsons from Riverton. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great one.
Sam Jackson, a very happy birthday. I love the hat, Sam. That's a marvelous picture. I think Sam didn't know the picture was being taken with him in the hat, but it is certainly a marvelous picture. Mr. Jackson is in Oronogo.
All right. Joe and Tiffany Lee are celebrating their 6th anniversary. What a wonderful pack they've got there. Happy anniversary in Jasper.
Now, we got this dude that works at the station. He goes by the name of Zach Brown. And Zach, you better wish that woman a very happy birthday, and you better be thankful every single day that she raised you. That is Miss Melinda Brown. That's Zach's mother right there. Melinda, a very happy birthday from all of us here. Since you're part of the extended KOM family, Miss Melinda's in Carl Junction.
All right, and it's time to celebrate the birthday of J-Dub.
Who that is?
J-Dub McCoy. See him for all of your marketing needs here.
What up, J-Dub? We get everybody back here.
You know what? I think J-Dub looks younger every year. He's getting younger.
I don't disagree with that. I'm not sure how he does it.
He's got a little magic behind him.
J-Dub, are you on that Tom Brady diet? You eating avocado ice cream or something we don't know about? Huh? We'll get to the bottom of that. A very happy birthday to JW. I love that dude. Dwayne Orey, He has a birthday in Miami. Happy birthday to Dwayne. Jason Gorman, turning 41. Jason is in Independence. A very happy birthday to Shirley Hutchins, 89th birthday. Miss Hutchins is in Scammon. And Grayson McLaren, now 12 years old. Grayson, a very happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. That's where you can send them in to. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.